Today we're going to have a look at the Z3, and this is the China model. I believe there is an India variant being sold in India, but I've imported the China model from AliExpress, and I'll include the link, the product link in the description if you are interested in checking it out. First things first, let's quickly see what came in the box, and then we'll have a look at the SIM card tray. Spoiler alert, it can take an SD card, and then we'll do a quick tour of the UI. It's running Origin OS since it's the China model, and we'll have a look at that. One I think of the biggest selling points of this device is actually this fast charger. For its price point, around 200 euros, it's well punching above its weight when it comes to fast charging. This is a 55 watt fast charger. Really was really exciting to try it out. I think it's my fastest so far when it comes to a Vivo device, so that was really good to see. And then in typical Vivo fashion, you get SIM ejection tool and a soft case in the box, so that's also always good to see. Now let's have quick tour of the design. You can see it's plastic bag, but actually feels high quality. Not very thick. I think it's a well-sized device. Also 180 something grams, so still a decent heavy but not too heavy. And here you have a 64 megapixel camera, also an ultra-wide lens and a macro lens. You have one single bottom firing speaker here, 3.5 millimeter jack. Unfortunately no NFC on this model, so you cannot use apps like Google Pay. On the top you get the SIM tray, and I believe an extra mic for noise cancellation. Now I would like to show you the specs screen of this model. See here that it's running Origin OS. It's actually running also on the Snapdragon 768, clocked at 2.8 GHz. Android 11, 6 GB of RAM plus 1 GB of borrowed storage, and 128 GB storage. One of the selling points of this device, it's a 120 Hz refresh rate display. Even if it's an LCD, I think it's a high quality TFT LCD display that can offer high refresh rate, but also HDR10. And you can change the refresh rate here. I have it on what they call Smart Switch, which is the automatic refresh rate settings. This is how you get the control center, and you can swipe downwards to get your notification tray. Okay, now let's have a camera tour, and you can see that it has night mode, portrait, and 2x digital zoom, and an ultra wide lens. I believe video can shoot at 4K resolution. Let's check that out. Yeah, can do for 4K. That's good to see. Let's do a quick test of the shutter speed. Yeah, this was quite quick actually. Here you go. I hope you like this preview of the IQOO Z3, and stay tuned for maybe a camera comparison coming soon. I'm gonna think of what is the good device to, a good relevant device to compare it to. Let me know in the description box also if you have a specific device that you would like to see this camera compared to. See you in another video.